Welcome back to the VOCES Academy of the Arts YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Jose Miguel Santelices, and I am here today to share a vocal tip for you that is going to take your singing to the next level. Whether you're a beginner just finding your voice or a seasoned performer, this tip is for you. Disclaimer time. All of the exercises and tips at VOCES Academy of the Arts YouTube channel are meant to be performed under the supervision of a professional. If you're not taking voice lessons, make sure you find a voice teacher that you trust and work under their supervision. Whenever something hurts or doesn't feel right, stop it right away. Singing should never hurt. Never. And now, back to more vocal tips. Have you ever wondered what makes a melody sound seamless and connected? The answer lies in one word: legato. Legato comes from the Italian and it simply means tied together, connected sound. It is all about smooth transitions between notes, which make for beautiful singing lines. True legato does not refer to only sing connected, however. It also means that your breath, your voice, and your phrasing work together to create seamless transitions between your chest register and your head register. An easy exercise to practice legato will be taking any song that you're working on currently and taking all of the consonants away. Sing it on the best vowel that you have. For some of us, that vowel is going to be A, like in pizza. For others, the best vowel is going to be an E. Here is where your vocal coach or voice teacher will guide you to do what's better for your voice. I'll give you now an example of a piece that I'm working on and what I do to make sure I have seamless legato. The line I'm working on is from Verdi's Rigoletto and the famous aria La donna è mobile. La donna è mobile, qual piuma al vento. Let's take that and take all the vowels away. And for me, I'm just going to keep the A vowel going throughout. Now, with that feeling of legato, I'm going to incorporate the consonants back in. La donna è mobile, qual piuma al vento. You see, this time around, it is not choppy anymore. It keeps the movement in the piece, however, it's all smooth and connected. Mastering legato isn't just for classical singers. It's a game changer for any style. Pop, musical theater, rock, country music, you name it. And remember, with a solid vocal technique, you will be able to stand in any stage and let your true voice speak. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our updates. And if you would like to learn more about VOCES Academy of the Arts or enroll in voice lessons, check out the links in the description below. Let's embark on this artistic journey together, because here at VOCES, every voice matters.